So it's 5 years at Bakingo. Time has flown pretty fast. I think a lot of people want to know how it all started. What is the Bakingo story?
When I clearly remember the story behind it, how we came up with this idea of Bakingo. And I mean, we were having this conversation that whenever the people are going to plan something on their celebration, either they have to go a long way to find a superior kind of bakery, or they have to shed a lot of money, and that's how the people were kind of compromising it.
And true to that, and what I believe in this era, you cannot compromise on palettes or the menu because it's not need or want, it is more about desire. Right?
And that's why we also came up with this name, Baking Go. So Go symbolizes the delivery part, baking on the go. So Suman, I think would you sum up our Baking Go philosophy for our users?
Absolutely, and this is like the base of what we are today. We are and we will be always having this customer-centric philosophy.
I think adding to that, I mean, where we stand on the cake segment, it's very, very personalized. I mean, we are a part of a celebration.
Adding to it, timing has been critical. So, and that's one of the challenging part that we have achieved. I think 98% of our deliveries are in time. We're still struggling to make sure that the remaining 2% get to that level.
I mean, just few months back we came up with Ras Malai cake, and it was a hit on the platform as well. And we try to be relevant on the ongoing trends which are available on the social media platforms. I hope you remember, Patra, I mean, 3 months back we came up with Pull Me Up cakes, Pinata cakes, and they were actually contributing quite a lot on our platform.
One of the key challenges which we were facing, like any other bakers, is consistency. The best thing to solve this problem, what we did was we created some world standard processes, as well as made a state of art 5,000 square feet centralized kitchen, and that actually helped us maintaining this consistency.
So that's what we aim to be. Aim to be the best national bakery. If you talk about cakes from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you should be talking about Baking. So the idea is that when people or any customer orders from us, they order from confidence and that conviction that they'll get a great product wherever they are. And we want to be omnipresent. We want to be present across the India. I think in the overall journey, we have not talked about affordability of our desserts. We wanted to make sure people have the right good desserts at a very affordable price. Sure. So the brands who sell Banoffee pie at 500 rupees, and we were somebody who brought it at 150 rupee to the customers, and the response was huge.
Coming to the secret of our success, of Baking success, is we can proudly mention here that the kind of love and affection we have received from our customers on all the social platform, and Zomato or Swiggy, whatever platform we are present, is amazing. And we can clearly see there are customers who are like ordering 12 times, 15 times in a year.
I think adding to it, it has been the wonderful team that we have. So the warmth of the chef that goes into baking those cakes, to the delivery which is happening at the last point, our tech team which makes sure our website and app is running 24 hours, our social media and content team which makes sure our customers love what they see online, our customer care team which is patient enough to handle any number of queries. I think everybody from our operations team which makes sure that our operations start at 8 AM in the morning till 12 in the midnight every day without fail. We are working 365 days. So the hard work of the team and the love of our customers is what we at Baking are today.
Bringing it all together, we are overwhelmed to share with you that we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary this week, and you can check out our big gesture on the website. And if you have any question regarding our journey, we will be very happy to answer that.
Thank you. Keep ordering, keep sharing.